covered some what we might call moving verbs. So I am going, or he is running, or she is walking. Now we're going to look at where we're actually going to. So I am walking to where? We're going to look at how do you pose that as a question. So he is running to where, or where is he running to? And then we're going to look at how we can respond to that as well. First off, all we need are two very simple words. One of them you're probably already familiar with from some of the other videos, which is HEA, H-E-A, as in where. And the other word is ki, K-I. So ki HEA, to where. So I am walking, ki HEA. I am walking to where, or where am I walking to? He is running, ki HEA. He is running to where, or where is he running to? So that's the two words that we're going to use, ki HEA. Now it's as simple as adding ki HEA onto the end of these sentences. So we might say, kei te haere aho, I am going. Kei te haere aho, ki HEA, I am going to where? Kei te oma ia, he is running. Kei te oma ia, ki HEA, he is running to where? To describe where we're actually going to, all we need to do is change HEA to a place. So somewhere that we're going to. So ki HEA is to where? Ki te kura, to school. Or ki te mahi, to work. So kei te haere koe, ki HEA, where are you going? Kei te haere o, ki te mahi, I am going to work. Kei te oma ia, ki HEA, where is she running to? Kei te oma ia, ki te toa, she is running to the store. And it's as simple as that. Ki HEA, to where, and ki, the place. So where you're going to.